Hi everyone, so today I have another entry. This one is from Karina C. Westfall, and she is Karina C. Westfall on YouTube. And let's see what we have here. Okay, hold on. I want to make sure that we don't give anybody's address. Okay, so this is how Karina has this packaged. And yes, that is upside down. That is not the camera. So there's that. Okay, I'm going to set this over here to the side. Let's see. Look at how cute that paper clip is. Very cute. She added an extra on the back to cover that up. Okay, so we have a card. I'm going to set those right there. And look at this cute card. Absolutely adorable. Okay, so we're going to have a look. Let's see what we have. So she says, Goldie, I had lots of fun putting this together. Hugs, Karina C. Westfall. And look at that. Super cute. Absolutely adorable. I love that. Well, thank you, Karina. I'm glad you had a good time. And hopefully, you know what? Good luck in the drawing, and we'll see where we go from there. So here are some extra goodies. I'm sorry about that glare. We're having like light issues right now. Either the sun is screaming and shining, or it's cloudy and overcast, but it's still like 103 degrees out. So look at that. We have some Jolie's Boutique. I love these cute little birds with the bird cages. And some Webster's Pages fabric ribbons. Oh, those are beautiful. Just beautiful. I love that. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to set this out of the way. And there is Karina's entry. So just to be safe, I'm going to set this over here. Hold on. We're going to see what we have here. Okay, so all right. Okay, so please hold. Hang on, I'm going to turn this over. Okay. Oops, no, backwards. Okay, hold on. There we go. Okay, so I am going to link Karina's video in the description box below, down there, so you guys can see. She did a video for her projects that she did, and you guys need to, I will also link her channel, so you guys can go see that, but look at that. Oh, that is so cute. And she said she used, I believe, Maggie Holmes, and I don't remember what all else, but I swear she said Maggie Holmes. I'll have to go back and watch that again. It's been a couple days, and I don't remember, and I'm so sorry, but look at how cute her index card is. And she did everything all about spring, and I love that. So that's got Christina's information on the back. She's got YouTube and Instagram, and I believe she tells you that in her video. So that is her dex card. I'm going to set that right there. And she made a loaded pocket with a wand. And yep, I just did that. Hold on, we'll put that right back in there. Okay, so it doesn't look as though there's any glue on it, so we will fix that. But there you go. See? Good as new. So she made a paper rosette wand, and that is so cute. And oh, that stuff is so fuzzy. Absolutely adorable. Look at that. Super, super cute. And she did a charm. Look at, there's a little elephant and turquoise. And I know she said she used the turquoise because it picks up on the color from all the papers that are in here. And love that beautiful little flower and the little tassel. Both the tassels are just gorgeous. That is fabulous. Okay. I sound breathless because I just came in from out in that heat. It's horrible out there. So I'm going to pull all these things out and we can see what we've got here. Okay, so in her loaded pocket, there is a pocket here and a pocket here. Super, super handy. And another pocket right there. We'll get to that one in a minute. And I love that. She said she felt like she was, if she had a chance, she would be bicycling through a garden or park with all the trees and nature and everything. So I love that. Okay, hold on. I am still at a weird angle with my camera. So we have a cute little pony. And that is a Brad. And I love the way you package this, Karina. It just makes everything so that one can actually get into that without destroying anything. And she used a little sticky pop dot. Hold on. I'm going to get that open without tearing the glassine bag. Okay. So apparently over time these sticky pop dots stick really, really well. Okay, so she did some die cuts. Please hold. And these are cute little, like, package toppers. Isn't that adorable? I love that. Thank you, Karina. Those are super, super handy. I keep telling myself I need to get one of these dies. I haven't done it yet, but I keep thinking I need to. And I love all these little bird things. They are just beautiful. I have a thing about birds. There is a big feeder right outside my craft room window. And I keep it full. And I've even had hummingbirds of all things added. It's hilarious to see them out there. But, oh, love that. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so we're going to put that right there. And put a little unicorn. Nope, not unicorn. Pony. Put little pony guy right here with that. Okay, hold on. So we get that over there. And these little embellishments that she did. Super, super cute. Hold on. Having a struggle getting everything open today. It's like I go out in that heat and I come back in and my hands are all shaky. I just feel like I can't even function. Ugh. It's just hot. But look at that. It's super cute. Okay, hold on. We'll get these out here. So this one has a cute little camera on it. And that one just this fuzzy little pom-pom. And looks like she used like Nuvo drops or something on that. Super, super cute. I love that. And this she did is a bookmark. And I love how you put this on here, Karina. So she did this with just a paper clip to hold it instead of stapling or sticking so that one could be able to get into that and reuse it. And I love that idea. I'm kind of in the neighborhood of that sort of thing. I love to be able to get at things. Okay, and this is her bookmark. Isn't that beautiful? And I love that. Thinking I'm going to borrow that idea. My mom's an avid reader, and I'm going to borrow that and make one of those for her. Okay, I'll put that right there. And this one has an altered clothespin and a little tassel and another one of those little paper doilies. Hold on, we're going to put that back on there. I know that in here, she said, is Project Life cards, and you can use them for a lot of different things, either Project Life, or you can use them as background for a greeting card, or anything else. They can be used for, you know, mixed media things, that sort of business. I love that. Those are beautiful. Oh, throwing things. There's that. That one's super pretty. And then these little ones. That's pretty. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Those are all beautiful. Messy bun, having fun. Yep, that's today right there. Super, super pretty. Thank you so much, Karina. Okay, here we go. And in this one, in the big pocket, we have, hold on, there we go. Okay, we're still digging. Look at that. Those are super pretty. And those are from spottedcanary.com. Some paper flowers. That is so pretty. I know I've got a glare there, guys. I am so sorry. But look at how pretty those are. I love that. They just make for super, super easy card making and that sort of thing. Something quick for a project. And then in here on the back, she has some extra goodies that she put in because she put an extra pocket on the back there. And hang on. So she has some little wood veneers. Super cute. I love that. And some more Project Life cards. That one is beautiful. Believe you can and you will. Look at that. The best things in life are free. Yes, ma'am. I love that. So we're going to put those there. And some cute little Jolie's Boutique flowers. And she made a comment about forgetting and leaving the tag on that. You know what, sweetie? I've seen people do that all the time. And about half the time I forget what I'm doing and I leave the tags too. So don't even worry about it. And some vintage trinkets from Maya Road. And a beautiful, beautiful little packet of some little sparkly bits. And look at, there's like little rhinestones and sequins and some, oh, pretty little heart confettis and things like that in there. Hearts and stars. Super, super pretty. I love that. And then, like I said, last but not least, we're going to go back over this cute little charm. If I can get it off there. There we go. So we're going to set that right there. And we'll go back over this again. But look at that. We've got a flower and a little elephant. And these cute tassels. And I love that turquoise. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you, dear. And it does match and goes with all the colors on everything. So I'm going to set that right there. Okay, you guys. So this is Karina C. Westfall's entry for my challenge. And you guys need to go over to her channel and give her some love because she is kind of starting out. Let me go back over here and we're going to have a quick look. She's just starting out with her subbies, and she needs you to share the love and give her some subscribers. So thanks everybody for watching. I will talk with y'all later. Bye now.